the size of a membership site is really dependent on a lot of things outside of what Paid Memberships Pro is responsible for. Our own membership site, Paid Memberships Pro, I think we have over 100,000 users registered. We do periodically clean that out. A lot of them are free users, but it's really a factor of that hosting environment, knowing that you have a speedy host that can optimize the queries for your database, that you have some caching in place to support the site. So really no limit. When you are sending email through the WordPress site directly, you're not going to be able to send like 200,000 emails all at once. If you have a newsletter above 500 users or even 100, probably it's best to offload sending. So I know MailPoet has a sending service. It looks like here with MailPoet, an SMTP service. So if you're using Google Apps for your domain, you could certainly connect that. There's just their own web server in the web hosting environment. Amazon SES is the Amazon sending service, really low cost. Maybe a little technical to set up, but I would configure it with your host, and SendGrid is another option. The MailPoet pricing, I think there's a free level up to 1,000 subscribers and some limits on how many emails you can send. They purport to be able to send 50,000 emails in 1 hour, which is great. Feels like almost as fast as ConvertKit for us. Our list is like 40,000, and I think an email can send within 15 minutes or so. So, if you wanted the easiest, most straightforward integration, I would just go with their sending service. These are all, I would say MailPoet sending service is a little more expensive than just going right to Amazon SES, but you get some user interface that you're not going to get with the other tools. So really no limit, I would say. And hopefully if you have a super large email list, you're going to be able to support a few contractors to help you optimize things and get the right deliverability you're looking for.